To all of our maintainers across Air Mobility Command, thank you for what you do every day at every base across the globe. From the tip of the nose of the aircraft to the tail, you keep us airborne, you keep the mission going, and you do an incredible job, so thank you for that. The challenges we face today with our legacy fleet cannot go understated. As your commander, it's important that I understand the challenges of quality of life and quality of service as you do your job every day as a maintainer. So I will go around to the bases and I want to hear from you. I want to hear from you on social media. Day to day on the flight line, what are your challenges? How can we better help you do your job? We need you in our Air Force. We need you to be the great maintainers that you are every day. And we need you to help us fly, fight, and win.